السلام عليكم. الدجاجة، الخروف، الكلب، البقرة، القبعة، التفاحة. That's our lesson today. اللام الشمسية واللام القمرية. Did you notice anything from the words we read? Sometimes we read the lamb, sometimes not. So what do we give? Why do we give these two names? What do the names come from? First, Lam Qamariyyah, it takes this name from Al-Qamar. Notice that when we say Al-Qamar, I pronounce it this Lam. Alif and Lam is an article that you add to a noun. Qamar is a noun by itself. It means moon. When I add Al in the beginning, it's like I'm saying the moon. So we know that we pronounce the Lam in the word Al-Qamar. I pronounce this Lam. So the second one is Lam Shamsiyyah. It takes this name from the word Shams. We do not pronounce the Lam here. I say Shams. I skip the Lam and I go right away from the Alif to the Sheen. I say Shams. Okay. So when we add L to any noun in the Arabic language, then we have two types of lambs, a Lam Qamariyyah, in which we read the lamb, and a Lam Shamsiyyah, in which we do not read the lamb. A Lam Qamariyyah, how can we decide which lamb is Qamariyah, which lamb Shamsiyyah? I'm not Arab. Arab people should say it by default, by nature, because you already know the words. So how about the non-Arabs? If you're not Arab, if you don't know what the word means, then there is another technique that can help you do that. You have to look at the word that comes after Al. For example, when you say Al Qamariyyah, the first letter, I mean the letter. Look at the letter that comes right after the article Al. The letter here is Qaf. So we're gonna group the letters. One group with Al Qamariyyah and the other group with Shamsiyah. So the first group with Al Qamariyyah, we combine it in this idiom. أبغي حجك وخف عقيمه. أبغي حجك وخف عقيمه. Any of the letters of this idiom, if you see it after L, if you see any of these letters after L, then this is Qamariyah, meaning we have to pronounce it, we have to read it. Hamza or Alif, Ba, Ghain, Ha, Jim, Kaf, Waw, Kha, Fa, Ain, Qaf, Ya, Mim, Ha. أبغي حجك وخف عقيمه. Some of my students say to me sometimes, does this idiom have any meaning in Arabic? Yes. أبغي حجك, seek your Hajj. Hajj is pilgrimage to Mecca. You should do your best to perform Hajj. وخف عقيمه, and be afraid that it no might be accepted. Meaning, if you are not sincere while you're performing this worship to Allah. Okay, so this is the first group. If you see any of these letters comes after L, then this is Qamariyah, meaning readable. We read it. Examples: Al Ustaz. Notice that the Hamza comes after Al. Al Ustaz. I say the lamb. Al Bard. Al Ghad. Al Himar. Al Jinn. Al Walad. All of them are Qamariyah. Now we come to the Lam Shamsiyyah. Obviously, the rest of the Arabic alphabet comes with Al Lam Shamsiyyah, like the Ta, ثا دال ذال را زاي سين شين صاد ضاد طاء ظاء لام نون. Like when I say التمر, الثمر, الدار, الذرة, الرجل or الرحمن, الزرافة, السيارة, الشجر, and so on. So we have to notice one more thing about Lam Shamsiyyah that can help us recognize it. After Alif and Lam, you see the first letter after it has Shadda, Ash-Shams, At-Tamr. So we skip the Lam and we make Shadda, emphasis on the letter after it. So this is quickly what it means, and we have one exercise here. Okay. If I read it, obviously you're going to know which one is Shamsiyah, which one is Qamariyah, but I need you to take a look at it. I'll give you 30 seconds to take a look at it and try to figure out which lamb is Lam Shamsiyyah and which lamb is Lam Qamariyyah. Obviously, the words we are going to decide should start with alif and lam. Al, the article al. So this is alif and lam, and this is meme. This tiny letter is meme here, down there. Sometimes some students are not able to recognize it. But I'm telling you that, this letter is meme. So let us look at the exercise again. Sorry for that interruption. And then we see which word has Lam Qamariyyah or Lam Shamsiyyah. Look, that's meme. And this is another word because it starts with L. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Somebody is going to say to me that word starts with ba. This ba is extra. It's not part of the word. And then after that, we have this one and this one and that one. So 30 seconds. So let me read it for you right now, and that can help you to recognize. عندما تذهب إلى المدرسة. So I pronounce the lam. في الصباح. That's لام شمسية because I didn't pronounce it. وتلتقي مع الأصدقاء. لام قمرية. تشعر بالسعادة. I skipped the lam. لام شمسية. وعندما يدق الجرس. قمرية. تدخل الفصل. قمرية. وتكتب الدرس. I skipped the lam, so this is شمسية. Thank you. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله